Good. All right, so everybody's always asking me how to do a bonded insert. Well, there's several factors. First of all, having the right tooling. Don't do it, haphazardly, and make sure that you have somebody who's done it before and understands the flow of carpet. One of the first things you want to do is you want to make sure that you have a good donor piece. And I was starting to do this repair. We've got 5 of them today to do. Where dog is basically torn out the area here, and we're going to make this go away for the client so that they're happy and the carpet looks very nice and aesthetically sound. But one of the first things you want to make sure you're doing is that the carpet is going to be going the same direction. So the way you do that is you take it down on a piece of paper and you find out which way the carpet is actually going. So in this case here, we're heading this direction. In this case here, we're heading that direction. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that the carpet is in the right direction, going the same flow. So this is going this way, that's going that way. So this carpet, once we stick this in, as you see, I've cut this out. They have a tool called the cookie cutter, and as long as it's 3 inches, otherwise we use measurements and we square out and everything else. But in this situation, we have a cookie cutter, and I've already cut the hole out of the damaged area. I've put the tape underneath, and we're gonna blend this in here very nicely. Get everything out of the way and make sure all the yarns all the way around are tied together so that when we put that in and we glue it down, it's going to blend very nicely. And we're going to use a cool glide in this situation today. And we'll put T there for transfer. You'll run that down there. Until the light goes off. And we'll move it over just a little bit. Once that light goes off, we'll move that aside. We'll take our seamer down. And that actually dries the glue very fast for me. And now I'm going to take this and we're going to just blend it in. Take away the loose yarns. We've gone from that to that with the bonded insert. As you can see, it blended very nicely, and it'll blend in even more as you vacuum, but that's as good as anything else. Now, as I move away and then I move back across, you can see it blends in very nice. Thanks for watching. Coach Rykbos, Ozarks Team.